The 16th Amendment by Parker Acosta. What is the 16th Amendment? The 16th Amendment was passed in 1909 and then ratified in 1913. This amendment gives Congress the power to lay and collect taxes on income from whatever source derived from without apportionment among the several states and without regard to any census. Tax. For those of you who don't know what taxes are, they are any charge of money or property that imposed by a government upon individuals or entities that are within the government's authority to collect. Now, there are federal tax, which affect the whole country, and then there are state taxes that affect only the state. Now, there are 7 states that do not collect income tax, and those 7 states are Alaska, Florida, Nevada, South Dakota, Texas, Washington, and then Wyoming. And a good hint to remember Florida is that any professional athlete that you know, so Tiger Woods, other professional golfers, like to live in Florida because they do not collect income tax. Now, what is income tax? Income tax is money that is earned by people working in the United States. It doesn't matter where the money is earned as long as it is income. So, if you're getting paid under the table, if you're a drug dealer, like as long as it's income, you need to pay income tax to the federal government. Now, the court case that affected this amendment was Pollock versus Farmers Loan and Trust Company, and it happened in 1895. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck? Like, the amendment was ratified in 1913, but this case had an issue where Farmers Loan and Trust Company was trying to say that the shares were income, which means they are getting taxed, right? So all the shareholders will get taxed because they are getting income off the shares. Now, at the time, before this amendment, Pollock didn't agree, so he took this to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court stated that the shares were his property, and at the time, property tax is a direct tax, and it was not an income tax. So, in the end, Pollock won a concurrent opinion vote 5-4 in favor of him. Now, a test question. Blank is the state that does not collect income tax. Answer choices are A, Nebraska, B, Florida, C, North Dakota, or D, Maine. Now, if you chose answer B, ding, 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 you are correct. Tiger Woods lives in Florida, which means there is no income tax, and Tiger Woods sucks. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the amendment.